Hello again. I have the sound box with me today. Shall we sing our song? What do you have in the sound box today? The sound box today, the sound box today. What do we have in the sound box today? Let's take a little look. I think that most of the things in the sound box today begin with the sound t. Can you look very closely at my mouth while I'm making the sound t, t, t? To make the sound properly, you have to put your tongue right at the top of your teeth, the top row of the teeth, and put your tongue up there. T, t, t. Okay, let's have a look in the sound box. Interesting. The first thing in the box today is tiger. 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 Can you say tiger? Brilliant. Let's see what else is in the box. Ooh. Does anyone know what this is? This is for cleaning your teeth. It's toothpaste. Toothpaste. Ooh. Toothpaste. Can you hear the sound at the beginning and at the end of the word? Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Let's hear you say it. Good work. Make sure you're saying the sound at the beginning and at the end. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Fabulous. Let's have a look in the box. And here we have some tissues. 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 Can you say tissues? Good work. Ooh, this looks really exciting. I wonder if anyone knows what this is. It's a trophy. 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 Can you say trophy? Good work. And now, something to go with that toothpaste we put in. It's a toothbrush. Toothbrush. Cleaning my teeth. Toothbrush. Can you say toothbrush? Toothbrush. Excellent work. These look really delicious. Can you see what they are? Really beautiful, juicy, red tomatoes. Tomatoes. Oh, I can hear that sound not just once. I can hear it at the beginning of tomatoes, but I can hear it in the middle too. Tomatoes. 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 Can you say it? Good work. There's some more tomatoes here, and they're in a tin. Tin. Can you say tin? Excellent work. There's one thing left in the box, and it's a torch. Torch. Can you say torch? Torch. That's it. The box is empty. But have a look around your classroom or your house and see if you can find any things that begin with t or have the t sound in them. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.